This is an absolutely beautiful place. Got to it from Venford Reservoir on Dartmoor, but you could be anywhere in the world right now. And we're all out as a family. It's so lovely. It would. It's so beautiful. This is the waterfall we came out to find initially, but found even more beauty. It's absolutely stunning around here. There she is. Venford Reservoir, just outside of Buckfastleigh on Dartmoor. Absolutely stunning place. That's our adventure for today. Holne Moor at Venford Reservoir. And I think we walked all down that river underneath Lucky Tor and then back up and then over the dam and back here. Absolutely amazing. So down there and then back up the other side of the river, through the fields, back to the road, along the dam and to the car park.